But search terms, you bring up the search terms, right? Search terms on product or search terms on who you are, MSP. Can you give just some thoughts on that, just so we can conceptualize that better?
Are you asking about product specific versus service specific, or just MSP in
Yeah,
general?
or solution. Like
Right.
what's the kind of, what is like a strategy that you would maybe provide like people to kind of think about, right?
Yeah.
Should they be doing click words for Azure,
Right.
or is it the solution behind Azure? What are your thoughts?
Exactly. Yeah. So historically, and this is based on a lot of data from a lot of different MSPs, we always recommend the highest buying intent signals, right, which are going to be whatever word, phrase appended with, services, migration, partner, right? So someone's looking to buy services. So that's usually, again, IT support services, IT support around migration, right? It's Azure migrations, cloud migrations, or product specific, 365 migrations. Those are high intent keywords that result in customers as well. Products, I haven't been. If you're going to be a leader in the industry, especially say maybe nationwide, and you're in your larger company and you really want to dig in, yes, you should be putting content out there and talking very specifically about any number of products, new products, specific problems. But if usually partners are not all in on their content or all in on their digital marketing. So obviously we're going to start out with the ones that are highest intent. So but those partners that do focus on the daily details, the new products, those help bolster their website and their and kind of their clout online, right? So but again, I would say that in terms of successful, high pipeline acceleration type keywords are going to be product migration services, IT support services type of keywords.